Okay, day one on a new project. Going to be doing a curbless shower on a concrete slab. We tiling all these walls. These are 9-foot walls here, all the way around. It's going to be real big tile on the walls and about a 12 by 12 on the floor. Little grid pattern. I'm going to replace the stone going back down here. And we're also going to have a nice heated floor as well. So nice project here. It's going to come out really nice. So I'll take it day by day, step by step, show you the process of this project. Stay tuned. Okay, day two back on the project. I was able to grind down the slab, the cup grind and vacuum. Got pretty much everything off. A little bit excess thin, said it's bonded well, so I'm not worried about that. Floor is actually relatively flat and level. It drops over here about a 3/16. It's a little bit of a high spot here. So what I'm going to do, since this is a curbless shower, I'm going to get it dead on. So I'm going to shoot the laser, pour a self leveler, make sure this thing is definitely level, so that way when they shower, it is higher over here, so the water won't come out, but I want to make it dead on. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to pour a leveler to get this thing perfectly level and flat. Right now we're working on the concrete, so I have to basically fill in this section here, leaving it low enough to do the mortar bed and the slope. So that's right, day two. Okay, here we are, day three. Concrete is poured in there. I used 14 bags of concrete, 60-pound bags, but 14 of them. So tremendous amount of concrete to pour this in. So I left it a few inches lower to allow the slope for the drain here. So that's where I'm at. Day three on this project. I'm gonna continue on with the prep work here. Okay, day four back on site. Self lever is poured. Thin tolerance of level. So basically I got this as level as I possibly could. It's definitely better than wood, because this area over here dropped a 1/4 inch. Try to come up at least that, if not more. That's that. Day four. Gonna continue on, remove all the dams. And today I'm gonna start probably prepping the walls here. Gotta get some more studs in certain areas and probably start hanging some board. So that's where I'm at. Day four. Okay, day five, back on site. Self lever is cured. So everything's good to go with that. Prime the floor. So I'm gonna re-prime this section, because I did have to pour some more over here. Gonna do that. Gotta address some of the framing here and then hang some boards. So day five, this is where we are at. Okay, day six, back on site. Came here yesterday, primed the floor, hung some drywall around here, over there, start the foam board in the shower. So today I'm gonna continue on with the board, then start laying out the Dietrich heat and go from there. So that's where we're at, day six. Okay, here we are back on site. I believe today is day number 7. All the board is up, waterproof, good to go. So today I'm going to mud the shower base and continue on from there. The client actually wants to do the heat in the shower floor as well. So that's what we're gonna do too. So whatever they want, we make it happen. Day 7, continue on. Okay, here we are at day 8. Yesterday I came in, did the mortar bed here. This is over almost 6.5 feet this way by 3 feet. Curbless showers are really big. This one took about 6 bags of mud to do this bad boy. I had a recess around the drain here to accommodate for the Dietrich Duo to line up flush with the drain, so that way I can put Curdy on it. So that's that. Today I'm going to continue on the project. That's day 8. So here we are back on site. Today is day 9. Dietrich Duo was set yesterday. Today I'm going to run the cable in here. We're going to be doing heat in the shower floor as well. So I got 2 cables. I run the first cable going around over here into the shower, and the other one outside the bathroom floor. So that's where I'm at today, day 9, and continue on. Okay, here we are back on site. Cables all in. We ran 2 cables, one around the vanity over here into the shower, and then one on the bathroom floor. 2 sensors for each. So all that's good to go. Ran the wires up here. Electrician connect this at a later date. So now all we got left is to run the curtain in the shower, waterproof it, get it ready for a flood test. Here we go. One step at a time. This is going to come together.